are headed out to do a recovery in Canaveral Groves today. We got the Duece. The Duece is going to be needed for this one for sure. So we got a Home Depot truck and a camper hooked to it. Let's go see what this Duece got, I guess. This thing pulled out. Got my Sandy Cat's 1.25" rope out. Make light work of this. They fired up, it's running good. So let's go. All right, so we made it out here. We're gonna try and hook this camper back up. Get in there pretty good. It moved about an inch. That's it. All right, tight. All right, turn your wheel. Yeah, turn it. There you go. Yep. They always come out. All right, so we got him out. He's gonna try and rehook to the camper, and I think we're gonna try and pull him to his camp.
It feels like you're gonna get.
Get him turned around. This soft sand and nice and mushy. So,
Alright, kind of hard.
so we got this rope hooked up.
There we go.
I think they just latched this trailer, and look at that. It's wet out here.
out those scratches.
God. What did I get myself into? Somehow that fit in here. Shout out to Home Depot for $19.99. You can rent one of these things for 75 minutes. Look at that. The Duece don't give a shit what's behind it, so that was fun. Alright, y'all, so we got them out. We got them to their camp safely, and yeah, I'm sure Home Depot's gonna want to get some money for that truck, because yeah, that thing went pretty deep just pulling it to their campsite. If they would have done it like 2 weeks sooner, literally could have made it there without even hitting a lick of water. But you know, they said they just got that thing from Orlando. It blew out 2 tires on the way here, and they were using a 2-inch ball when it called for a 2 5/16. So that thing was sliding everywhere on that hitch. And then they were also using, I think it was too small of a hitch itself, and it was kind of just shoved in there, and then they put sticks underneath it. So the whole ordeal was sketch, but I'm glad it worked out for them. Hopefully they can enjoy that thing at their camp, and yeah, just glad everything went together smoothly and no one got hurt. So I'm headed back to the house. I had to leave real quick to go watch my kids, but thank y'all for watching. I'm sure there's gonna be more recoveries. This rain is being crazy in Florida. I think it's raining almost like every day, and it's like a torrential downpour. So the holes are getting deep, not having enough time to soak it in, so they're getting pretty deep. There's a couple of them that are like 4 feet deep, just water. But stay tuned, there's gonna be more people getting stuck, sinking their stuff. So I'll see y'all in the next video. Like, subscribe, thanks for watching.